welcome to my vlog. This is MJH Vlogs. Join with me unwrapping these very cute bags that I get it from Choice. And this time they are on sale. So this was 280, after discount is 180. So it's not bad. So I will show it to you. This is the one I've been eyeing for a while now. I need something small but roomy. I'm so happy that I found this one. They have two colors. They have red and black, but I decided to take this black color. Look at this. La la. Super cute, super cutie. Look at this, guys. So cute. See? And there is one zipper here. And look at this. This is the room of this bag. They have strap. This is like it's not really silver. It looks like matte black or something. Not so silver. Not so silver. Look at this, guys. Look at the room. The room of this bag. It's so small, but you can say it's small because there's another pocket here. Another compartment. So you can put here something small if you don't want to put together with this big compartment. Right? And look at this. There's a hardware here as well. So cute. This one for only 180 Real. I bought it in Choice. And this is the hardware. So soft, guys. So soft. Look at this. It's kind of silver, but not so silver. It's not so silver. It's kind of dark. Kind of dark. It's like matte. So I love it. They have in red, but I've been eyeing for black. So that's why I decided to take this black color instead. Look at this naman, guys. Shoe. I'm gonna put my other things. So I will show you how big the room of this bag. Okay? So this one of the item that I'm gonna put it inside my bag. My powder, my alcohol, lotion, my mask, and my key pouch. So I used to put here my cards and something else. So let's see, guys. I will show it to you how I will put my things inside and how it will be still looks roomy. See, it's already here in the big compartment and it's still roomy. Look at this. I haven't removed yet this tag. So this is the price before. It was 280. After discount is 180 Real. So it's not bad, guys. And my key pouch. My lotion. I think I can put my lotion there. My alcohol. And my powder. And my mask. Oh my god. I thought it's only 2 rooms. But there is 3 compartments. There's another one. One small, one medium compartment, and another one small. Oh, 3 compartments. Oh, so good. Oh, I love this. I love it. Oh, this is perfect for me. I really love this type of bag. Small but roomy. And look at this now. So this is my mask. In the middle is my mini pochette and my key pouch. And this is my powder, alcohol, and lotion. And still have room, guys. Oh my god. I think I can put my my cell phone on this compartment. So for now, because I am using my phone, so let me try to get my housing. Then I will try to show it with you how I will put. Because I am using my cell phone to make a video, so this is my housing. So I'll try to put it here. So it will not fit here in this compartment. It will not fit here. And for sure it will not fit here also. So it will be fit in the middle. So it can fit in the middle. So I decided to put my key pouch here since this is small. So this is my mini pochette, and this is my cell phone. My housing. So all my lotion, my alcohol, and my powder are in here. So very cute, guys. So I love it. I'm so glad that I take this one. Wow. I'm gonna show it to you how it will be fit on me. Look at this. So I still have another hole if you want to make it short. There's another 3. 1, 2, 3. The whole of this is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hole. So I still have another 3 here if I want to make it shorter. I will show it to you guys. Look at this cute bag. Oh. So like I said, this strap has a 6 hole. So they have another 3 more extra hole I put on the third. So this how it looks like. Oh my god. Who will say this is only 180 real? So cute. Casual like this. Or you can hold it like this. So cute. And what I love about this one, I can put a lot. It is small but it's roomy. And also they have a different compartment. There is 3. I thought it's only 2 when I bought this one today, but just now I realized there is 3. Small, small, and here is the big compartment. So I got a jackpot for this one. This one has in 2 color, red and black, but because I'm eyeing for the black one, so I decided to take this one. For the red one, their hardware was gold, which is I like in gold hardware, but it's okay. I said I'll take this one, which is I love it. Look at this. I love it. Yay!